We're always talking about AI creating these incredible images from just a text prompt. But what if AI could change a photo after you've already taken it? And I'm not just talking about adding a filter or something. I mean fundamentally changing the camera's perspective. That's what we're digging into today, and trust me, it's wild. So let's just get right to the big question. Can an AI really change the angle of a photo you've already taken? And again, I don't mean just, rotating it. I mean, can it actually reach into the photo and show you what it would have looked like from a completely different spot? And the answer to that, well, it leads us to something that honestly feels like a new kind of magic. It's a perspective trick that an AI can pull off that just seems to defy all logic. So, what exactly are we talking about here? There's this new AI model out there on Hugging Face, and what it does is pretty incredible. It takes a single, totally flat 2D photograph, and it lets you change the viewing angle. It actually generates a 3D perspective from a completely static image.
It sounds impossible, right? I mean, how could that even work? So let's break down the actual process and see how you do it.
The whole process is actually surprisingly simple. So first, you just upload whatever photo you want to mess with. Second, there are some pretty basic controls to adjust the zoom. And third, and this is the really crucial part, you select a new angle. But you don't use a slider. You actually type it in as a text command.
But when you first get in there, it's a little underwhelming. As the source video points out, if you only play with the zoom feature, it just feels like a basic cropping tool. You're just getting a closer look at the same old photo. Nothing special. Or so you think. But this is where everything changes. The user gives the AI a direct text command. A simple little instruction like rotate 45 degrees left. It's such a straightforward prompt for what seems like a completely impossible task. And boom, this is the mind-blowing result. I mean, look at this. On the left, you've got the original image, but on the right, the entire perspective is shifted. The AI didn't just stretch or warp the pixels, it generated what the scene would actually look like from that new viewpoint. And the source also says it has controls for up and down too, not just left and right. It is absolutely astonishing. The creator of the source video really summed up the feeling of seeing this perfectly. He just said, "Are you thinking? Just imagine the level of things it's doing." And that really captures that sense of awe, right? This isn't just an edit. It's the creation of brand new information, a whole new perspective from a single moment frozen in time.
So, okay, this is amazing, but what does a technology like this actually mean for the future of photography and, for you?
Well, the best part is you can actually go try this for yourself right now. If you want to play around with it, just go search for the model's name. It's called Queen Image Edit Angle. You can find it and just explore this incredible tool. Go have some fun with it, see what you can create.
And all of this leaves us with a pretty provocative question, doesn't it? When you can generate any angle you want after the photo has been taken, what does the perfect shot even mean anymore? Is this the end of us trying to find that one perfect perspective now that basically every perspective is possible? It's definitely something to think about.